What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a little demo / distance test on my Down4Sound MM100.4 amplifier. I got 4 6x9 Down4Sound CFXT coaxials in each one of my doors. Just gonna play some sample music off royalty-free music website. So here it goes. A pretty good distance away. I'm in my local mall parking lot. It's not too bad on 4 6x9s. There's not a lot of information on this amp online, but this is the amplifier right here. I got a set of 15s that go back here, but just did a whole layer of sound deadening. Pigtails here, RCAs into my line out converter here. Zero gauge to 4 gauge reducers. Speakers are at 4 ohm, 1 per channel, 4 in total. Just wanted to do a quick little video. There'll be more to come.